Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Home Affairs Minister Dr. Leon has finally cleared the air and says your noise on social media is not going to change the rule of law. I want you to listen to what he said.
Then those are South Africans. However, what I would like to emphasize is that Home Affairs, one of the challenges we've had in recent years is all these court cases that have rolled against the department that you'll be aware of. And I have been very clear that we have to get back to the rule of law. And in fact, it's even in the GNU Statement of Intent that we have to anchor our decisions in the rule of law. So the one thing we will not do is when there's an uproar about a particular individual, but there's no actual matter before Home Affairs, we cannot go and violate the Protection of Personal Information Act. Because if someone comes to me and makes an allegation against you without any evidence, and suddenly a lot of people repeat that allegation, it would be a violation of your rights in terms of the Poppy Act for me to then go and say, but here's his papers, here's his nationality. So that's the one side. So I think it's been clear from Home Affairs that we are not going to be dragged into innuendos, rumors, and quite vicious episodes that we see on social media. However, there has been a development in the sense that people actually related to the matter have asked us to help put this matter to bed by verifying some of this information. Now, that is how it is supposed to work. If you have a complaint against someone, you bring prima facie evidence, because remember, the onus is on you to bring a complaint. You bring prima facie evidence to our counter-corruption unit, for example, and we will investigate the matter. That did not happen. There has not been a single actual complaint with actual evidence. Not one.
Wow.
The only thing we've received are people related to this individual saying, can you please bring an end to this by verifying the information? So we will update the public once we've done that. But I do want to make it very clear. We are doing so with the consent of the individuals involved. We are doing so because they approached us, and we will not violate Poppy, undermine the rule of law in cases where people don't bring evidence or don't bring such proper applications. And I think you saw that over the past few days. And I know there was a lot of noise and a lot of people were shouting, do this, do that. That's not how it works in a country with the rule of law. We have a democratically elected government that's supposed to abide by the Constitution and all the laws, including the Poppy Act. We cannot be governed by social media, and we've seen some of the results of that over the years.
I think you heard what the minister is saying, and he's only emphasizing on the importance of adhering to the Protection of Personal Information Act and to avoid unfounded speculations on social media. The department will act as you have heard that they were approached by Chidimma's family, and the department is going to act and also provide verified information. And he's saying he cannot go against the Poppy law, which I understand, and people are very furious at him, and they're saying he's from Zimbabwe. He listed himself as from Zimbabwe. His birthplace is Zimbabwe. That's why he's supporting this Nigerian girl. I don't know what you guys think, because according to social media, there's no like evidence that we can actually say she's not South African. And the minister is saying those are unfounded accusation, and there's no evidence. So he's going to deal with evidence and let the matter come to rest. I think it's high time for us to just forget about this issue and move on. I don't know what you guys think, because on Saturday, that's when we're going to have Miss SA finalist, and we're going to see the winner. And if she wins, there's going to be more war on this. I think they should act so that they can come with results, so that everyone can be clear on this issue. And the minister is now on fire, and they're saying, white people, why do they have to choose a white person to be Minister of Home Affairs? Look at what we said, you guys, you shouldn't vote for DA. Look at what is happening now. It's now his matter. It's now his issue of all this Miss South Africa and stuff. I think we have to concentrate on other issues that are very important at the moment, because Miss SA, honestly, it doesn't even really matter. There are other situations that should be focused on at the moment as a country, not to just focus on this thing that I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments.